Meet Penny the piggy bank. She's proud of her savings, $100 tucked safely inside. But lurking in the shadows is a sneaky thief. Inflation. Inflation doesn't break in with a crowbar. Instead, it quietly steals value. What $100 bought yesterday buys a little less today. At the store, $100 once filled a basket, but as prices rise, the same $100 buys fewer goods. Inflation shrinks your purchasing power. Over time, inflation erodes savings. Left untouched, $100 today might only buy $80 worth of goods tomorrow, or even less in the future. But you don't have to let inflation win. By investing in stocks, real estate, or inflation-protected assets, your money can grow faster than prices rise. Even small steps like budgeting wisely help protect your savings. Inflation may be sneaky, but with smart strategies, you can guard your wealth and keep your piggy bank strong.